over. If one could do that, well, I guess you would too, wouldn't you? So I keep working on changing things. My time is spent rearranging things to seek improvement. After all I can do, wouldn't you? There have been times when my world wasn't right, but the future looked awfully good.